So this is the equation. You have to find out the moment of inertia of this quadrant. Okay. So in this moment in the quadrant, so finally we have determined the equation. So that is DIAB is equal to y square into DI. So y, in the place of y you have put the r sine theta, which is substituted, and in the place of dA you have substituted r d theta, r dr into d theta here. Okay. Now, if you remove the bracket, you will get r square into sine square theta, that you have written as it is here. So r, again, if you multiply r and r, it will become r cube. So dr and d theta, you write it as it is. Okay. Now I need to get it I value. Okay. I need to get it I. So IAB I need to determine. So what you do is you better integrate on both the sides. This is small di. So we need total area. So in order to get the total moment of inertia for the total area means I need I. So in order to get means only you have to do integration. Okay, this is already in the differentiating stage. Okay, you have differentiated into a smaller piece. So now in order to add all the smaller elemental area, you have to do integration. So integrate on both the end. Okay, after integrating on the both the end, so this will be reduces to I AB. So first we will integrate with respect to the theta value. So r and dr will do it later. Okay. So this is a quadrant. So quadrant, the angle varies from here to here. It is 0 to 90 degree. That's all. So that's why limiting value is 0 to pi. Okay. The integrating the radius value, it remains 0 to maximum is radius. Okay. So that's what the maximum value. Next what you do is you just integrate the sine square theta. So sine square theta you will get it as, so I told previously, so cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. So bring this one to right hand side and this one to left hand side. So you will get it as 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. So 2 you send to denominator. Okay. Now you will get it as sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay. So finally this sine square theta, whatever it is there, so that will be reduced to whatever the equation is there here, sine square theta is reduced to 1 minus 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, into d theta. So r cube into dr. Okay. So what you have to do is next is integrate 0 to r and whatever the 1 by 2 in the denominator is there, you bring it outside. Outside to here also. Okay, because 1 by 2 is a constant, so you just bring it outside. So next in the rest of the thing is 1 minus cos 2 theta and d theta you have to integrate. So I will integrate that and I will show you. Okay, see here, integration from 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta into d theta. Only with respect to theta I'm not integrating. So if you integrate 1, you will get theta. Okay. Cos 2 theta, if you integrate, you will get sine 2 theta. Okay. So that divided by 2 theta, whatever it is there, inside whatever it is there, you have to differentiate. Okay. So 2 theta with respect to theta, if you differentiate, you will get 2. Okay. So that's what you have been integrated from 0 to pi by 2. So in the place of theta value, you have to put pi by 2. Okay. Now that will be pi by 2. Theta value, if you put it, that will become 0. You leave it. Okay. Next is this one. Okay. So sine 2 theta is there. In the place of theta, if I put it pi by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine of pi, sine pi, so divided by 2. So again lower limit 0 I have to put it now. In the place of theta I put it 0, it will become sine 0. So it will be 0. Okay. So sine of odd pi and sine of even pi. So it is sine of 1 pi. It is equivalent to sine of 1 pi. Okay. Sine of 1 pi. What is the value of sine of 1 pi? So that remains that is sine of r pi and even pi you have to see. Okay, so here the sine of any pi is equal to 0, either odd pi or even pi, whatever. Sine of any pi is equal to 0. Okay, so this whole term will become 0. Okay, here whatever inside bracket is there, that it will become 0. So finally it will be reduces to pi by 2. Okay, so pi by 2 whatever it is there, you write it as it is here, pi by 2. Okay, so this whole term whatever it is there inside, that will become pi by 2, r cube as it is, dr as it is. Okay, so if you integrate pi by 2, keep it outside, pi by 2 into half, so it will become pi by 4. Okay, r cube whatever it is there, r cube if you integrate with respect to dr means, okay, so you will get r to power of 4 divided by 4 into dr. Okay, so here half into pi by 2 is there, that will become pi by 4. So I'll written pi by 4. So 4 4s are 16, so that is the denominator. This it will be pi r square. I written as it is. Okay, so this is what the integration product. Okay, final answer. So this is what the final answer of the moment of inertia of the quadrant.